Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by going to Settings and opening Security and Login. Once there, select Use Two-Factor Authentication. This initiates the flow. You'll be prompted to pick a primary method, text message, or authentication app, and to verify your phone number or install an app. Make sure your phone is with you. If using an app, open it and select Add Account. If SMS, expect a one-time code. These first steps link your device to Facebook and prepare the next verification stage. Once done selecting a method, you verify it. If you chose an authenticator app, scan the QR or type the setup key. The app will generate a 6-digit code. If you chose SMS, Facebook sends a one-time code. Enter it promptly. After successful verification, Facebook asks you to save recovery codes and optionally add a backup phone or app. These recovery options let you regain access if you lose your primary device, so keep them secure but accessible in a password manager or printed safe place. Now enable two-factor protection and review trusted devices. Remove any you don't recognize. Make sure you confirm the change by re-entering your password if prompted. If you lose access, use saved recovery codes or your backup phone to sign in. These are the fastest fix. If those fail, start Facebook's account recovery flow and be ready to provide ID or previously used devices. If problems persist, temporarily disable incorrect apps and retry setup. Contacting support is the final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.